Welcome to our channel. Today I will talk about the common mistakes that entrepreneurs make with AI and how to avoid them. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing business, but many entrepreneurs make these mistakes that can cost dearly. Mistake number 1. Not defining clear objectives. Many entrepreneurs integrate AI without knowing exactly what they hope to achieve. Define your goals from the beginning. For example, time savings, better customer service, increased sales. Mistake number 2. Using incorrect or insufficient data. AI needs quality data. If the data is wrong, the results will be worse. Invest in good data. Mistake number 3. Expect immediate results. AI needs time to learn and improve. Be patient and adjust your strategy based on the results. Patience plus adjustments equals success. Mistake number 4. Not integrating AI with your team. AI doesn't replace people, it empowers them. Make sure your team understands how to use it to improve. AI plus team equals superpower. Avoid these mistakes and use AI as a tool to take your business to the next level. Are you ready to improve your business? Contact us, and we will accompany you.